Welcome to Threads, the hottest new social media app on the block, making waves across the internet with over 100 million users. If you're one of those users eager to discover the ins and outs of Threads, including how to get verified, change your username, and connect with your Instagram followers, you're in the right place. We've got all the answers to your burning questions and more. So, let's dive in. How to join Threads. First things first, let's get you started on Threads. It's a separate app from Instagram, so head over to the App Store or Google Play on your phone and search for Threads, an Instagram app. Once you download it, tap Open, and you'll find a neat Log in with Instagram button at the bottom of your screen. Simple as that. Since Threads requires an Instagram account to use, you'll have the option to follow the same people you do on Instagram. Navigating the app. Once your account is set up, you'll be greeted with your Threads feed, where you can catch up on posts from the people you follow, and hey, you might also discover some interesting content from random users you don't follow. Navigate the app easily with the row of icons at the bottom of your screen. The house icon takes you to your feed. The magnifying glass icon leads you to the search page, where you can find and follow your favorite users by typing in their usernames. The pen and paper icon is where the magic happens. Click it to create a new thread and share your thoughts. Feel free to add some flair to your post by tapping the paperclip icon below the text, and attach photos, videos, or GIFs to spice things up. The heart icon shows your account activity. It displays who followed you, who replied to your thread, who mentioned you in their posts, and which users are verified. The human figure icon takes you to your Threads profile where you can see your activity. Changing privacy settings. Privacy is essential, and Threads has you covered. To adjust your privacy settings, tap on the human figure icon to open your profile. Then, hit the Edit Profile button, and from there, you can choose whether you want your profile to be public or private. It's that easy. Time limits feature. Worried about spending too much time on the app? Threads has a nifty feature for you. Tap the human figure icon to open your profile, then tap the icon with two lines to access your account settings. There you'll find the Take a Break feature, where you can set up reminders to step away from the app and take some well-deserved breaks. And there you have it. You're now ready to dive into the exciting world of Threads. Remember, it's all about connecting with others and sharing your story in a fun and authentic way. So go ahead, create, explore, and enjoy your Threads journey. Happy threading! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Share this video with your friends who are new to Threads, and let's help them get started too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.